Saturday morning, and I'm out deer hunting again. There's more rain coming in this afternoon, actually I think around 11, and we have a Christmas party to go to tonight, so I don't think I'll be able to hunt the entire day. But I just came in here a little bit ago, right at daylight, and I've already seen 10 doe. I'll show you a little piece of property here that I don't think you've ever seen before in any of the videos. But today you can actually start, it's doe season today as well as buck. And I have a couple doe tags, but I normally wait till like the last Saturday, or in muzzleloader season. We have a flintlock season after Christmas that's a lot of fun. So I may wait till then to harvest a doe, we'll see. But let me show you this little piece of property here. This is 5 acres. You know, it joins the rest of our property, but you can access it from another road, and it's pretty nice down in here. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see all that green on the ground. That's all ground pine. But over there's a house that's right across the road. This drops straight off, and there's a road right below there. That's the road that my mother lives on. But this is just kind of like a 5-acre piece that joins the rest of the property. When I came in here this morning, I came right up through here, and there's a bunch of doe in this area. And to give you some idea where you're at, over that way is the brick house that we bought. It's probably, I don't know, 200 yards over that way. And then my house, there's several valleys and a big flat top up that way. My house is way over that way. It's all woods from here to my deck of my house. It's a long way over there. But anyway, I'm just kind of still hunting here today. Move around a little bit, stop, wait 15-20 minutes. So far I only been out for about 45 minutes and I already saw a bunch of deer. So we'll see what happens. There's a couple buck rubs right here. Anyway, I'm going to wait here a little bit and then move on. You can just see the roof of the brick house over there. And that's that 5-acre piece I was telling you about down here. It goes all the way in here, starts going uphill. That's real nice and flat up on top. I just saw 3 more doe right down in here, and they probably went over to the yard there at the house. I'm just going to kind of sneak around this way and get up on top and just wait up there for a while. When it's real wet and damp like this, you can kind of just pick your way through the woods without making any noise and get a good look at them. Now I'm up on the hill here, right behind the brick house. It's down there. It's real nice and flat up here. Lots of maple trees. That's what all these limbs are on the ground. But so far 22 deer, and I don't even think it's 9 o'clock yet. No buck though, and everything I'm seeing is just kind of meandering through the woods. Nothing's in too big of a hurry. Alright, now I am in between the brick house and our house. Brick house is down that way. The loop trail that I built not too long ago, it's over that way, a couple 100 yards. My house is that way. I've only gone probably not even a half mile in about 2.5 hours. I've seen a lot of deer though, and I'm not spooking them either. You just kind of take your time. It's real quiet. Through here it's hard. You got to kind of maneuver around all these maple limbs that are on the ground. But you just take your time. It's a nice day to go for a walk. Maybe see a big buck. Alright, I just got back up here to the house. It is almost lunchtime. Had a pretty good morning hunting. I mean, I didn't get a big buck or anything like that, but we had a lot of fun. I saw probably 25, maybe even 30 deer, something like that. At least 20 of them, I'm sure, were all doe. The other ones I really couldn't tell. They're not moving around a whole bunch. There is rain coming in here just in probably within the hour. It will not quit raining. I'm telling you, rain or snow. But man, I hope something changes soon. The ground literally cannot take any more water at all. Some of the trees that I found that were down from the ice storm, where some of them uprooted, you know, we have shaly material out there, topsoil and shale, and the stump holes are just filled completely to the top with water, you know, on the top of the hill. It's unbelievable. But anyway, I got a couple firewood stacks to show you. The first one is the winner of the perfect stack of firewood, and that is Michael Kakulin. He lives on Long Island, New York. I didn't even know there were woods on Long Island until I got to talking to him, and I looked at it on Google Earth and everything, and it's pretty cool. But here's a picture of Michael with his new Stihl MS 261 chainsaw and his two beautiful daughters. Congratulations to Michael. I'm glad you got a nice saw, and I look forward to seeing your entry for Woodstack 2019. Now Gene, he lives in Connecticut. He got his log splitter yesterday. It came on a big pallet, like all wrapped up in like a cage. So he does have to do some assembly for that, and he will send me a picture of that when he's done. Marcel won the most creative stack. He has gotten his log ox 3-in-1 forestry tool, and I am also waiting. He's going to send me a picture with him in that sometime. I asked him for that the other day. And then Gord from GP Outdoors, he was the winner of the YouTube category. He will receive his prize this week. I think he may have already gotten his t-shirt, but he'll be getting his prize this week, and he'll probably do a video on that. It's a whole box of it's pretty nice stuff, so I'm sure he'll be looking forward to receiving that. Trying to think what else. Oh, so this title of today's video, you know, you've never seen a stack of firewood like this. Well, I know it's kind of a clickbaity type title, but I'm pretty sure it's accurate. I posted this picture right here on our Facebook page this morning, and I don't know, there's like 800 people or 1,000 people saw it in the first hour, and nobody figured it out yet, so let me show you.
Check this out. This is handmade from Paul.sherburne in Florida. He sent it to Mike this week. It was such a nice surprise to receive. The detail he put into this and the time, I can only imagine. It's beautiful. This is all real wood, cut to individual pieces of chopped firewood, then split. He has an axe with the stump where the splitting and the axe marks in the stump. A nice chair he made for...
In case you want to take a little break.
Yeah, take a rest. But here is a 308 shell to give you an idea of the scale of it and the detail. It is beautiful. He's so talented. Mike can put his information in the video, so if you'd like to order one for yourself or for a friend, it would make a great gift to put on a shelf, the fireplace mantle. It's beautiful. Thanks, Paul. It was very nice.
So yeah, that is really cool. I mean, that is a very, very nice gift, and I really appreciate that from Paul. I'll put at least his email, and I'll check and see if he has a website. I'll put that in the description below. But that takes a lot of work. I've stacked a lot of firewood in my day, but I'm telling you what, he put a ton of work into those, and he sells them, and I think they're beautiful. They really are. And I'm not really into, you know, crafty stuff. I mean, I kind of am. But something like that, it was a very, very thoughtful and a very nice gift from Paul, and I really appreciate it. But anyway, that's about it. Like I said, a stack of firewood like you've never seen. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.